It is about taking a raw piece of material and turning it into a finished product. It sounds easy, but what you're basically doing is visualizing a blueprint, looking at a blueprint from different views of a part with dimensions and features on it, visualizing what that part looks like, and then utilizing all the machine tools in the machining lab to create that part.
The program is really well geared to hands-on people, very mechanical. You like to build things. You want to take things apart, see how they work, or manufacture something. This would be a great program for you.
Our lab floor is state-of-the-art. We have CNC machining centers, CNC turning centers, milling machines, lathes, surface grinders, an array of inspection equipment.
Probably one of the biggest benefits to my program is job placement. We have one of the highest rates of job placement. The world is yours with this trade. It just gives you a great foundation for so many things in your adult life.
It's very gratifying. Once you make that finished part, when you say, wow, I made this, that means a lot.